the former EFF provincial chairperson in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, Vusi Khumalo, talks about how he got expelled in the EFF. Let us listen to this.
But let me tell you, you mentioned a very important point to say, abanye bagwazi ukuthumela amabhasi. The question you should ask yourself, bagwazi bayithathapi imali. Let me tell you what happened. EFF was a kingmaker kumasipala because omasipala baphethwe inkatha nokhongolose. I-ANC mayifuna ukungena ayoguqa kwi-EFF ukuze kuvotelwe imeya ye-ANC. Inkatha mayifuna ukungena ayoguqa kwi-EFF ukuze i-EFF ivote nayo ukuze bathole ukuba umeya baphathe umasipala. uJulius was saying without saying, hambani niyokhomba inkatha nitshele ninike imali, and he did. That's where they got the money from. Bahamba wakho, I refused. I said, if ngangifuna ukuba corrupt, ngangiyohlala ka-ANC ngibe corrupt and be filthy rich, ngashi ANC because of corruption ngeza kwi-EFF, I'm not going to be part of this corruption. And he see, I refused. I said, ngangixoshwa manithanda, they expelled me. That's where the money came from. But ekabani le mali yabakhokhi bentela, imali kufanele ngabe yakho umgwaqo. So EFF is equally corrupt njenge-ANC nenkatha. They are the same. And in that financial year, I knew you can go and check it. EFF on that financial year had received from IEC ne parliament, because our parties ayafund 320 million. Now on top of that, Julius Uti, we must fundraise 1.4 million. Ngihambisa amabhasi lapha, ngihambe ngiyokhomba inkatha ngesibhamu ekhanda and say ukuze niqhubeke nibe i-mayor nani, give us so much money. I was not going to do that. I was not prepared to do that. I said, we're corrupt, it's not going to happen.
Yeah, but it's a serious allegation.
It's a serious allegation that I can prove.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So I'm saying, by imali bayithola komasipala.
Okay.
Yes. And imali kabani, because umasipala kanamali, imali yabakhokhi bentela. That's corruption. That's where the money came from. Ask one of them, busy any one of them, owathumela amabhasi lapho umbuzo wayitholaphi imali. Ngeke bakutshela. But I'm telling you now where they got the money from.
Thanks, Mkhathini.
Aye,
okay. No. So EFF, I think it is a serious allegation,
yes.
and I think it should be remiss of us not to follow up on it, even if we don't do it now,
yes.
on this episode. But because I'm hearing it for the first time,
yes.
But knowing the EFF as a political party, that if you look at the ideology, and it's one of the political parties that are on the left, so is seen as a progressive party, we don't expect such.
Okay, now ngiyabuzwa msakazi, but here's my take. There's an allegation ukuthi Julius unomuzi ka 21 million. It's on the media now. We that when we know it is only earning 1.2 million a year. So there's an allegation here now. So where is that money coming from? I'm just making an example. So he's not as clean as he claims to be. Take just one person owathumela amabhasi. FNB umbuzo wayithathapi. Ithathapi million.
Sure. No, I mean, mine is not to defend the EFF.
No, I understand.
All I'm saying is that you in some parties, even I can mention the SACP, because they are communists. So there are things that you do not expect. You'll be shocked. I didn't expect this from a communist. So it's the same thing, that if that's what happened, then skipila.
We don't expect communists to be voting with the ANC, but they do. And they're accepting positions from the ANC, when the ANC is actually the opposite. The ANC is in bed with the DA, but the same communists are voting with these oppressors, but because they support the ANC. So the politics will shock you.
Sure.
Until you learn when Cyril Ramaphosa says all of you ANC councillors are useless, you are failing to run municipalities, nihlulwa i-DA, all the best run municipalities are DA. You then say to yourself, here's a guy who's been a president of this organization for almost 10 years. He is saying that. Ithini ngaye? What is it saying about him? He's been saying he's been presiding over an organization that is full of corruption, that is full of useless people, that is full of failures. Baze badlulwe i-DA. But he's the president of it. Ngenkathi ekhomba umuntu ekulaba leminye u4 ikhomba yena, and then you get shocked. So there are a lot of things that are going to shock you in politics.
No, Katin, asingene ekhaya lakho.
There's just so much. There's just so much that is being unraveled about the economic freedom fighters, the EFF, and of course its leader, Julius Malema. You guys would know that an organization, especially an organization that was established around a particular figure, because we cannot run away from the fact that the EFF is built around the persona of Julius Malema. Yes, they do have progressive political or police propositions, but most people, if you were to ask them why are they members of the EFF or why do they vote for the EFF, you would realize that actually majority of them are not voting for the EFF based on the policy propositions and the policy positions that the EFF has taken. No. You would realize that actually most of them, they vote for the EFF because of this political figure, popular figure that is Julius Malema. So that's why then we realize that Julius Malema can wake up one morning and decide to pronounce a position that is contrary to the EFF's policy, and there will be no consequences. Rather, the organization will be expected, right, to toe the line and follow that position that Julius Malema has all of a sudden taken. Hence, they are regarded as flip-floppers. Okay? So, you know that Julius Malema from his ANC flick days, the corruption in Limpopo and all those of things. So when you start to hearing things that the likes of Vusi Khumalo, rather not Vusi Khumalo, Vusi Khoza are talking about, you then realize that actually the EFF has taken the shape after its leader. It has been shaped after the image of its leader, which is Julius Malema. And it is very concerning because in one of the interviews that Fresh Bambo has given, it is that the EFF is so obsessed with tenders. Of course, they realize how these people, they get to fund their lifestyles and all of that. These luxurious lifestyles that they are leading and all of that. So I'm not sure, are we comfortable enough as black people that can the EFF even be an alternative to the ANC? I've got serious doubts. Okay? I've got serious doubts because for as long as it is led by Julius Malema, and unfortunately that his presence in the organization has produced another Julius Malemas, who of course look up to him. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Temos Kosana. The name of the platform is Izula Bansundu, the Voice for Africans. Thank you very much.